In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping address on Taobao. We'll walk through it on a computer so you can check out smoothly without missing any details. Start by opening your web browser and heading to taobao.com or world.taobao.com, then sign in to your account. If the interface appears in Chinese, you can use your browser's translate feature to make the labels easier to understand. The buttons are in the same place either way. Once you're logged in, move your mouse to the profile icon in the upper right corner. From the menu that appears, click My Taobao or 我的 Taobao. This takes you to your personal hub where you manage orders, settings, and more. On the left side, choose Account Settings labeled 账户设置. This opens your account information page. Here, look for the section called Shipping Address, 收货地址, or sometimes Manage Addresses, 地址管理. Click it to open your current address list. Next, click Add New Address, 新增地址. A form will appear asking for your delivery details. For full name, 收货人姓名, enter the receiver's complete name exactly as it should appear for delivery. For phone number, 手机号码, type an active mobile number you can access for delivery updates. If you're in the Philippines, enter it as 63 followed by the number, for example 639. If a country code is already selected in the form, avoid adding an extra plus sign. For country or region, 国家 at DQ, select your country, such as Philippines. If you're using a freight forwarder in China, choose China mainland to match the forwarder's address. Next, select your province, city, and district, 省市区, from the drop-downs in order. Take a moment to confirm each selection is correct, as this helps couriers route your package accurately. In detailed address, 江西地址, type the full street address, including house number, street, barangay, city, and zip code. Keep it clear and consistent with your local addressing format to reduce delivery errors. Then enter the postal code Yu Zheng Bian Ma, which is your zip code. If any required field is missing, the form will alert you, so review before saving. If this is your primary delivery location, check Set as Default, 是为某人地址. That way, Taobao will automatically use it during checkout, saving you time. When everything looks correct, click Save, 保存. Your new shipping address will appear in your address list and will be ready to use at checkout. And that's it. You've successfully added a new shipping address on Taobao from your PC. You can return to this page anytime to edit, set a different default, or add another address as your needs change.